This is Taylor, and I'll be showing you the Shopkins that I have that my mom put. Remember, Dad? So let's get started.
Do not use up all.
Let's open it. There's 2 in each.
Anyway, that's super funny.
That's so first we have Alpha Soup.
What do I do?
And we have Redhead.
Oh yeah, I see.
Our next one is...
What? See what?
Our next one is...
What?
We have a bag here that I have.
That's so sad. Like, you know, the thing that we watched.
So our next one is...
I'm gonna search up one.
We have Googie, the white one. And we have
Shopkins with Batman, Superman,
Cheesy Bee.
Spider-Man. What the what? No.
The next one is... The next one is... The third one is Breaky Crunch. And we have Cool Cube. The next one we have is
the Iron Fist or Iron Fist?
Perch Owl in the yellow. And we have Googie in the yellow.
How to introduce? Oh.
And inside will be 4.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
So let's open it. We have from Frankfurter. We have fish sticks. We have Frankfurter again, and we have salad shakes. And then these are all like food. These are all food that I have, so I'm gonna put this in the bag.
Okay.
And I'll be doing some more. There's my nipples. Okay, so we have the next bag we have is this bag, all food.
Yeah, the package.
Dump these out. All food things. Well, these.
No.
Well,
I'm not.
we're not gonna do.
I am not watching that
these.
again. No. No, don't. Spider-Man versus
So,
Goblin.
let's open it. We have Lollipoppins. And we have Gray. Next one we have is
Where's Foxy? Everyone hide Foxy. Everyone.
we have League West. In the green, we have Sugar Lumps in the white.
Spider-Man versus Sam. Five Nights at Freddy's.
And the next one we have, we're gonna put 6. Yeah, inside 6 because my mom told me that inside has 6. So let's get started to see what's in the 6 of them. Yeah, I'm crazy.
Yay. Oh no.
Whoa.
Do not. No, he's gonna
We
dress up as a
have
black spider
the Lush
instead.
donut, and it's a sparkling one. We have cream bun bun, creamy bun bun.
Black spider.
In the brown, we have cheesecake in the yellow. We have cheeky chocolate and
Black spider is much better.
it's brown, and we have Miss Twist in the red.
Sandman.
Sam.
And we have Candy Kiss in the green. That's all for today. Bye guys. See you later.